Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to disable Remote Desktop in Windows 11 to close a major security loophole that hackers use to gain unauthorized access to your PC. Unless you specifically need to access your computer from a different location, leaving this service active is like leaving your front door unlocked in a digital neighborhood. First, click the Start button and select the Settings gear icon. Ensure you are on the System tab in the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down through the list of system options and click on Remote Desktop. Find the master toggle labeled Remote Desktop and switch it to off. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to disable Remote Desktop. Click Confirm. This immediately shuts down the listening port, usually port 3389, and stops the background service from running. To be 100% thorough, we should also check the legacy system properties. Search for Control Panel in the Start menu and open it. Click on System and Security, then click on Allow Remote Access under the System section. In the Remote tab of the pop-up window, ensure the bubble for Don't Allow Remote Connections to this computer is selected. Click Apply and then OK. And that's it! Your PC is now significantly more secure from outside intrusion. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.